एक तीर से दो निशान. एक तीर से
दो निशान.
It's like What's up everyone, welcome. There's no light. What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do the unboxing for all the stuff we got for our puppy, which we ordered it from Amazon. We also did shopping in the pet store. Link in the description for the video if you want to watch. Okay, before we actually do the unboxing, I have to go to Caitlin's mom's house first to help her with all the technology stuff. She has an interview tomorrow and she needs help with technology and whatever software they're going to use for the interview. And Caitlin's best friend is in the living room right now. They're kind of chatting and she's getting engaged, or she got engaged and getting married. So they're doing all the planning stuff, and Caitlin's birthday party is tomorrow. So they're like super excited and doing all that talking. Bye girls.
Bye.
Shayla, you want to say hi to my audience?
Hello, audience. I'm friends with Caitlin, one of my best friends.
Yes, and also she's getting married.
She's getting married.
Is it okay if I say that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'll have fun.
Bye.
Bye. This is my new mask. Actually, Caitlin's friend, not this one, but another friend, Holly. She made this mask. Holly, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this mask. Made it. I feel like flying a drone right here to give you kind of then they have a park right there. Maybe I'll fly a drone right here. Hello.
Hi, son.
You want to say hi?
Hi, viewers.
Everybody loves you.
I love them too. I love them more.
Yeah.
Final answer.
All right, what are we doing?
Okay. Well, so it's like putting a Zoom app on. How's your day?
That was nice.
Busy.
I mean, it was like super busy in the morning until like 11. There it is.
And Pat said you have to have the Zoom app. Have the kids come over and do it for you. Have Yudi.
And Patty, if you're watching this, we are gonna fix the problem in like 2 minutes.
Isn't he wonderful?
Finish installing this and I'll see you guys in some time.
Yeah. No, he's right here. He's right here.
We finished setting up the Zoom thing.
Yeah.
And we are now chatting with Caitlin.
Caitlin, say hi to everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Are you ready to unbox all the stuff for Bruno?
Yes.
Whoa, fun.
I'm so ready.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, Mom. You guys can enjoy the conversation. I'm gonna go fly the drone.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Check out the neighborhood.
Alright. I'll try not to run my drone into somebody else's home.
Please don't.
Alright, let's do the drone shot. Alright, I love you. Bye. Alright, made it to home. Now we're gonna unbox all the stuff you see behind us. Some of it's already unboxed, so we're gonna play the clip which we unboxed already. A lot more stuff we ordered, so we're gonna start unboxing now.
Yudi, I need your help.
We're still not sure if this is everything we ordered. We ordered a lot of things, right?
Let's open the small ones.
So let's show the first one.
These are dental chews, so they help your teeth, your dog's teeth stay clean.
Basically, ये जो dog के लिए होता है, ये क्या है, toy type लगता है, but ऐसे चबाने से उनके मुंह में freshness आता है और उनके दांत भी clean रहते हैं. तो एक तीर से दो निशान. एक तीर से
दो निशान.
It's like
Donation.
one arrow, shoot two things. What is that?
Kill two birds with one stone.
That's exactly what I was thinking. What is it?
It's the thing that you were like, no, you don't need that. But I'm like, I'm gonna get it anyways.
What is it? What is it?
This is for, it's like a bag.
तो ये बेसिकली ट्रेनिंग के लिए है. तो अगर आपको डॉग को अपने ट्रेन करना है तो ये बेसिकली आप ऐसे पहन सकते हो कमर में और आप बोलोगे कि सिट डाउन, सिट, स्टे, स्लीप.
I don't know that one.
तो बेसिकली आप कमांड दोगे और अगर वो सुनता है तो आपको ऐसे एक निकालने का, उसको देने का, निकालने का, देने का, निकालने का, देने का.
But yeah, no, it's really cool, and you can like put your phone in here, or you could put water.
Okay.
Yay!
This is a brush.
You brush the dog's hair, and all the hair gets on here, and then you can press this button. I don't know if you can see that, and it like lifts it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it lifts it up, so then you can easily just remove the hair and it doesn't get caught in the bristles.
Oh, हाँ ये बटन इसलिए यूज होता है तो मतलब जब आप बाल क्लीन करते हो उससे तो बाल अटक जाते हैं और जब अटक जाते हैं तो आप ये बटन दबाने का पक और सारे बाल बाहर आ जाएंगे तो वो इसके अंदर अटकेगा नहीं.
Wait, you open the last one.
What do we have?
The clippers and the files. So it has like this like safety on it, the back of it. So when the dog's nail goes in here, it's like safety.
ये नाखून काटने के लिए है. नाखून is nails.
नाखून?
Yeah. और ये एक सेफ्टी फीचर भी रहता है जैसे क्योंकि डॉग के नेल्स के आजू बाजू जो नर्व्स रहती है तो वो कट ना जाए इसलिए ये एक सेफ्टी फीचर है तो मतलब उतना तक ही काटने का. और ये फाइलर है इसे शेप देने का नेल्स को. आई थिंक
I want to see. What is this? This is the leash.
Yeah.
So this one is the like shock, and then this is where it clips to the collar, and this is the leash.
डॉग को पहनाने का ताकि वो भाग ना जाए और ये शॉक रेजिस्टेंट है तो अगर वो सिर्फ भाग रहा है तो इट विल लाइक यू नो.
It's nicer for the dog so the dog doesn't get the like jolt.
Yeah. इसको ट्रेनिंग लिश बोलते हैं. ट्रेनिंग लिश इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये 50 फीट तक जा सकता है. बहुत बड़ा वाला है ये. तो अगर जब आप डॉग को बॉल फेंक रहे हो तो वो जाके से भागेगा और लेके आएगा, भागेगा लेके आएगा, लेके आएगा.
We should teach our dog in Hindi
words to train.
Yeah. The dog collar.
तो ये डॉग का कॉलर है जो कॉलर डॉग के ऊपर जाता है. इसके ऊपर अपन लीश बांधते हैं. तो अपन लोग को ये फैंसी कलर पसंद आया. आपको फैंसी कलर पसंद आया? हाँ, मस्त मस्त. This is not a sponsored video by the way, but if the companies you would like to sponsor us, please more than welcome. Okay, so this is a dog shampoo. Dog को नहलाने के लिए ये शैम्पू यूज करेंगे.
And this is one particular for puppies.
For
so we
puppies.
thought we should try it.
हाँ, aloe vera, note, very nice, very nice. These are इसको बोलते हैं lint rolls.
Yeah, so when the dog sheds and it goes all over your clothes, it kind of sticks, so it will take it off and everything.
Yeah, तो जब डॉग लोग के जो बाल है वो बहुत निकलते हैं तो जब निकलते हैं और वो अपने कपड़े पे ऐसे चिपक जाते हैं. जब चिपक जाते हैं तो ये यूज करने का और ऐसे ऐसे आवाज नहीं आता है बट मैं इसको बता रहा हूँ आपको कि ऐसे करोगे तो सारे बाल इस पे चिपक जाएंगे फिर वो फाड़ के फेंकने का.
I like how your definitions give sound effects.
स्टेन रिमूवर है मतलब अगर डॉग ने आपको सुसु कर दिया, पॉटी कर दिया घर पे किधर भी तो ये जो है वो एक तो जो येलो कलर का जो स्पॉट रहता है वो भी उड़ा देगा और उनकी जो स्मेल रहती है वो भी उड़ा देगा.
One of them.
This is an artificial grass. So sometimes if you are outside and your dog wants to pee and poop and if he has habit of pooping in the grass तो वो फीलिंग के लिए ताकि आपके घर पे ना करे और ये इस पे आके करे. Welcome back everybody. I'm filming this like after 5 or 6 days. Because of COVID, not everything got delivered, even it is prime delivery, but some got delivered 2 days, some got delivered 5 days, some 10 days. There are a few things we are still not getting it, but I'm gonna open this. Okay, so this is what is this? Wow, this is a This is a water bowl. It's kind of a fancy one. The water only comes when he's like super close, and it's like a splash through, so water doesn't fall everywhere. Very fancy. Okay, this is a eating bowl. So you can see. Let me open this. Okay, this is an eating bowl. Obviously, it doesn't look like the normal one because it is like a puzzle kind. So usually what happens is some puppies, not every puppy, but some puppies are like aggressive about the food. So they like just go and eat. This will make them think a little bit. It's like a puzzle. So they have to like tilt their mouth around and to get the food from here. It's 10 times slower. Also, this was sent by Hemant. Hemant, who is a subscriber, turned into a friend and a brother now. Hemant, thank you so much for sending this. The next one, it's called BarkBox. So BarkBox is like a company, it's like a subscription box. I've subscribed for 6 months. What they basically do is every month, based on your dog age and dog breed, they will send you packages just like this one, and then in the package they send you 2 toys, 2 treats, and something else. And it's like a theme based, so you can see it's a Scooby-Doo theme this time. So, oh, that's nice. So basically a toy, another toy. This is like a tug toy, but it's like a sandwich. It's Scooby-Doo. I don't know if you used to watch Scooby-Doo. Oh, this is like a treat, you can see right there, and then there's 2 more treats right here. So that's basically what the BarkBox is. You get 2 treats, 1 something like a snack or something like that, and then 2 toys. Sometimes they send you 6. Maybe there's 1 more. Caitlin also bought this toy for Bruno. Bruno is our dog's name. The only last thing is left is giant. Ooh. It's very heavy. Okay, so this is a crate. Caitlin is right now busy. Tomorrow is her birthday party, so she's doing all the preparation, and I wish she was here. I miss her. I have no idea how. I'm gonna assemble this thing right here, or maybe I wait for Caitlin and then see if we can do it together. But yeah, it's basically a crate where dog can go inside. This dog have this tendency, because they are from wolf family, they stay in cave. Obviously dog has full permission to go all around the house, but this will make them feel like secure because it's kind of into the secured area. So this is going to be his safe place. That's
I made it.
That's the final product. Caitlin and mom helped. Caitlin did a very good ending in this video. Go and watch that. Okay, she's going to end the video in Hindi. हंसते रहो,
हंसते रहो,
मेहनत
मेहनत
करते रहो,
करते रहो,
करते रहो,
करते रहो.